Hello children, good morning. So today we are going to do editing exercises, okay? Now see, you have a passage, okay? In that passage there are certain words that are not correct, that is they are incorrect, okay? So you have to find out the incorrect word and edit it, means do the correction, okay? So let's have a look at this passage. Banana is an popular fruit. Look at the first line, okay? Read the first line. Banana is an popular fruit. An popular, is that correct? No. So what's the incorrect word there? An. So what you have to do, you have to underline the incorrect word, which is an. So what's the correct answer for that? A. So you are editing it, okay? Doing the corrections. So banana is a popular fruit and what? An important part to our diet today. Is the use of to correct here? No. To is the error. That's incorrect. What should the answer be after editing off? So what are you supposed to do? Underline the incorrect word. What's the incorrect word here? To. So what's the correct answer? Off. Okay? Excuse me, please. It originally belonged in South Asia. What's the error here? In is the error. That's incorrect. So what's the correct word? There's a correction for that too. So it originally belonged to South Asia region where it used to grow wild in the forests. It used to grow wildly, it should be. So see, it should be like this, okay? In the years, proper selection, that means with the years, proper selection yielded the edible banana, and it should be small, okay? Small y should be used. Okay, so for editing this exercise, go to the passage with each incorrect sentence, okay? Facebook with more than 1 billion users. More than? No, that's incorrect. More than is users is celebrated, is celebrating its 10th birthday this year. The company was launching by, no, was launched by, that's the right answer, okay? So Mark Zuckerberg at 4th February, by Mark Zuckerberg on 4th February. Yes, the site was conceived in a Howard Dome. It was conceived in a Howard Dome as a way to connect students, and let them build an identity for themselves, okay? Parts of speech editing exercises. Let's have a look at this. Select the word which should be edited from the following sentences to make them grammatically correct. Editing is required, yes, very much required, because what is the meaning of editing? Correcting the mistakes, yes. Could be any type of error, grammatical error, spelling error. I have been living in Ireland there for 2 years. So what's the correct answer? I have been living there for. She did not want to do work today. Did not want do today. Harry lent his book to me yesterday. Sherry, my friend, who's a writer. I wanted to stay away of this. Sorry. I wrote this song yesterday. So, what's there to find out? I would like that you deliver this letter for me. Options are there. The office where I work at it is very small. Read the questions carefully. She wrote to me this letter. I asked to him if he wants to go out. Solve the following by highlighting the incorrect phrase and mentioning the correct phrase. Paper were first made by the Egyptians. So please read. Try to find out. It's not that difficult. Find out what's wrong in the passage. Then see the third question. Again, you have to find the incorrect, then write the correct one. Find out what's the error. So that's the question. Then locate the incorrect word and write the correct answer. Such exercises will help you to improve upon in English, I'm sure. Please read it. Very interesting. Very interesting. Come on, point out the errors. Very interesting. Another one. So interesting. See that. Read it. See, what's the question? Are you reading? Okay. Please read it. Here are the answers of the editing exercises. Question 1. The answers are given. Please check. Then you have the second. The answer is given there. Please check whether you got them right. Incorrect, correct. The answers are there. Please check. Okay. Third one. See, the answers are given there. Please check whether you got them all right. Very interesting exercise. Then we have the fourth one. Check whether you got them all right. Incorrect, correct. And then you have the fifth one. You have the fifth one, children. Please check whether you got them all correct. Let's have a look at a few more editing exercises. Question 1. Edit the following passage by replacing the incorrect word with the correct one. Incorrect, correct. In April 2, 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin became the first man ever to venture read it, come on, read it. Are you reading it? See. Please read it very carefully. It's about Yuri Gagarin. Okay, so now the answers. Okay, have a look at the answers in on. Okay, what I'll do, I'll show you the question once again. See, have a look at the question once again, children. In April In April 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin become the first man ever to venture in space. He did not know for certain beforehand that he is to be chosen. The Russian had 3 possible candidates ready, but although Gagarin was the first in the list, there are errors you have to point out. So look at the answers here. In place of in, it is on, become, became, in, into, is, was, Russian, Russians. Got it? And then but and in is the error, on is the answer. Okay, look at the second one. Educationists today are overwhelmingly concerned about future of the youngsters. See, the blanks are marked. Read it properly. So those are the blanks marked. You have to read and try to find out the answer, okay? And then check the answer. Here are the answers. Please check whether you got them all correct or not, okay? This will come with practice, children, okay? Initially, you may find it a little difficult, but it is not that difficult. See, this is the third one. Are you reading the question, children? Read it very carefully. So that's the question that you see there, children. Okay. Okay. VIOR, behavior. Computer takes writes like that, you know. Otherwise it is VIOUR. So see, look at the answers, children. Please check whether you got them correct. Are you checking the answers? Okay, very good. Please check, children. So that's the answer. Okay, omission exercises. Omission is the stage of writing process in which writer fails to include or mention preposition, articles, etc. Okay, in other words, omitting is defined as left out or left undone. Okay, let's have a look at this exercise. Haridwar, one such place where something is missed out. There is one such place where everyone likes to visit. It is situated the bank of river. Something is missing on the bank of river Ganga. On special occasion, lakhs of devout pilgrims gather here to take the ritual bath in the holy Ganga. The Kumbh Mela, because it is specific one, is such grandest occasion is such a grandest is the grand Mela is such, so it is a grand occasion. See, it occurs after. So it occurs after 12 years. So that's about the omission part. Children, look at this passage. There are omitted words. You have to insert where it is written omitted. It is a well fact that regular. Well, what? Well known fact it should be. So you read it. You try to find out, children. Find out, find out, find out. Hurry up, find out. Find out. Find out. Find out, come on. So it is a well-known fact that regular exercise has several benefits, but recent research has found that workout has a positive workout positively impacts your memory. Come on, find out. Okay, children, that was a little difficult, so have a look at this. If you can do that, well and good. Otherwise, you can ask me. Look at this. Read this. Just find out what is omitted, children. Read it. Come on, read it very carefully. Are you reading it? Very good. You are supposed to read it carefully. Okay. So there's a question. Please read the question. No, I'll not show you the answers. Again, I'll show you the question. Get back to the question. This is the question, okay? Go slow, doesn't matter. You can go slow, no problems. No problems. I am going slow because of you. You should understand. Okay, please read it. Yeah. Find out which word is missing, what is omitted. Read very carefully with concentration so that you can understand. Okay? Good. Very good, children. Read it. Come on, read it, children. I'm going slow so that you're able to read and understand well. Okay, children? Come on, read it. Chal. So there's a question that you see there. Okay. Now start answering. Okay. Check the answers. The first one is the before word, then the missing word, then the after word. She asked him, taking place if he had seen. See, look at my pointer. This is the before word. This is the missing word. This is the after word. Again, look at this pointer. This is the before word. This is the missing one. This is the after word. I hope you understood. Okay. So those are the answers. Have a look. Come on, go through the answers very, very carefully, children. Check the answers, children. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand. Once again, have a look at the question. Go slow, read slowly. Are you reading the question? I am reading. Now find out which word is omitted in each line, each sentence. Okay? See, come on, read. I hope you are reading. Otherwise, you will not understand, children. Go slow, doesn't matter. Please read it. Okay, so how many blanks are there? 8 blanks. Now, have you answered? Very good. Now look at the answers here. Check. This is the before word. This is the missing one, and this is the after word. Look at the pointer. This is the before word. This is the missing word, and this is the word that comes after the missing word. Okay? So, look at the answers. 8 blanks, 8 answers are there. In case you have made errors or error, please do the correction. That's very important, children. Go through whatever I have done in this session. You read, you revise. You have your PT1 examinations just after a few days. This is also a part of your PT1 syllabus. Thank you. Have a nice day.